Welcome to softcameo.pn everyone. This is the channel focused on website editing with WordPress. In this video, I will show you how to configure a plugin known as Solid Mail. I will begin by install Solid Mail. I have already installed it, so I will skip the installation step. Please remember to install and activate this plugin if you haven't done so. Here, you can notice that it is still present. For this plugin, I will click on, it's located in the sidebar too, left sidebar. In this area, you can see that I can create a connection, which means it must link to your email. Now, I will provide guidance on how to connect. I will navigate to the edit section, which is similar. I will enter the required information field so that this plugin system can function correctly. Connect your account with your email. Initially,